a prank!
Like it usually does.
Here outside of Manila Zoo, because before you enter, you will need to pay 150 pesos for residents of Manila, and if you are a student, there will be a discount from 150 magiging 100 na lang. And if you are from outside of Manila, and if you are from outside Manila, you will be paying 300 pesos, and for student 200 pesos, and for every PWD and senior citizen there will be 20% discount. And before you pay, you will need to scan a QR code. Doon nyo i-register yung sarili nyo before paying. Like ayan yung information desk. Tapos isa-isa mo siyang gagawin, which is kinda hassle, you know. So ayun, hassle lang. Sana ma-improve nila yung ganong klaseng sistema. Ayan, kailangan exact amount ng bayad. So medyo hassle siya kasi kailangan mo isa-isa.
Ang hassle is super,
because you will pay one by one, and you will register one by one. So, ayan ang ticket na paisa-isa mong bibilhin. Ano pong experience nyo dito sa Manila Zoo? Yung first step pa lang papuntang Manila Zoo. Papasok ng Manila Zoo. As a first timer.
guys, wala akong kaalam-alam. Ayun, merong pang pa-QR code effect. Ito, pagod na pagod kami ng anak ko. Nag-train kami. Sobrang hirap. Kaya ito, makakaboplak talaga kapag hindi mo po talaga alam. Kaya, bago kayo pumunta dito guys, mag-search kayo kung anong dapat gawin. And then, magdala kayo ng exact amount. Yung iba hindi tinatanggap kasi bulok ang pera or peke. Kaya, make sure na super bago ang inyong pera guys.
Place, dispatch you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way.
Ito na ang itsura niya ngayon. Ayun ang elephant. Asian elephant siya. And ang daming babasahin. Search nyo na lang. Ay, naku. Zoe, look at the elephant to. Hippopotamus amphibius. Pero it's a prank. Wala pa siya guys. Hindi pa siya nahuhuli. From Africa ata galing ang ano natin.
From Africa pa
hippopotamus. Pero ayan, unfortunately, hindi pa kompleto yung mga animals natin dito. Feeling ko kailangan ng substitute. Ako na lang kaya muna.
Ako na lang, mas maganda ako eh. Mas bagay.
Zoe toy!
Ito rin mas...
The fade and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking.
We're now entering the aviary section. Dito nakalagay yung mga peacocks and peahen.
Oh, akala namin statue.
Anong klaseng hype yun? Wala man lang nakalagay.
Andito. Akala namin statue.
So ayan, ang makikita natin ngayon ay multicolored stork or painted stork. And
Lesser white.
saan? Wala yung lesser white egret.
Macaronis or parrot?
Ayun, nakita ko na. So meron ditong lesser white egret as well. So let's capture it. Oh, diba? Parang di totoo. I think natutulog sila ngayon. Look. Hindi sila gumagalaw and yung beak nila is wide open. I think they're sleeping.
I still need to recover from another love. Oh, would you be?
Sobrang laki ng improvement ng Manila Zoo compared to before. Ang ganda na niya. Feeling ko wala ako sa Manila ngayon. So nice. What's happening?
Yan.
What?
Tama sa Eunice ha. Para hindi ka na scared ha.
You're scared? Why?
Blue jeans and me.
So, ito naman, ang makikita natin dito is the Indian blue peafowl or peafowl. Kapag pumasok ko sa aviary section, para ka nasa maze, ang layo ng exit. Oh, may lumilipad na bird! And mayroong playground for children. Nandito tayo sa area ng mga monkeys and children's playground. Ayan, may child. Oh. And in this area, you have to remove your slippers or shoes. Sad. Okay, let's go here sa baboon.
Ano yung nakadaya-pel?
Hindi. May hawak lang. Asan yung baboon? Ah, cute!
Ay, ang
sweet!
Running through evergreen, running through evergreen. Blue jeans and me. Yeah, she's what I need. From another lover. Pretty blue jeans and me. Running through evergreen, running through evergreen. Pretty blue jeans and me. Yeah, she's what I need. Just glossy, I ain't trying to keep it concealed. Oh mama, I want it, just let it fall off. If you tell me that you want it, baby, it's a done deal. Oh mama,
Love you!
So we're now here in the indoor reptile section where we can see the iguana.
just now opened it. Yeah, I believe that. Oh, and I know you think you're still on the low, but I heard how you feel from everybody you know. Oh, you're just glossy, I ain't trying to keep it close.
Hey, I want to show you something.
This is for you. Yeah.
Ayan, mga uri ng mga daga. Ayan, pumalakas sila na parang parang baby. Hello!
Among big cats, the largest subspecies are the Bengal and Siberian tigers.
My favorite animal is lion. Sana all.
Don't stop, I be making my way, yeah. Say what you wanna when you wanna say. She'll laugh right back and pass one. Say what you wanna when you wanna say. She'll laugh right back and pass one. Go get him, go get him. Go get him, go get him. Break it out like girl can act. Bring it on up like damn that ass. Girls gon' check him out, bounce my pad. Sipping my drink like clown can dance, go dumb. I've been tweaking till the morning. I'll be rolling, but the pen's got me writing off like a throne, gon' get it. Beer throne, let it hang, girl gon' set it down. She got a smile, got me waiting for the weekend. Couple texts, spend a check, tell her bring a friend. She got a taste on her lips like a sweet blend.
Okay, nakita na natin lahat ng mga klase ng animals dito sa Manila Zoo. And there are still room for improvements. And I'm so happy to see lions and person. So, yeah, ang ganda ng Manila Zoo ngayon, ang ganda ng improvement. Ang laki ng improvement, I mean. And hindi lang siya basta zoo na may mga hayop, ganyan, mayroon yung mga landscape. And may mga sites din na super ganda. Like this, ito kung saan yung mga bird thing na. Okay. So we're now heading home. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you will consider Manila Zoo if you will visit Manila, because sobrang worth it ng 150 pesos niya. Sulit. So yeah, I'll see you again in my next vlog. Bye! Say bye, Zoe.
Bye-bye, girl.
Bye-bye, girl.